Let me quickly show you how much some people are making money in content creation. And some of these people are making this money from the comfort of their home, but they would have done a number of things. So let's go into, let me show you my screen. We're kind of going a little bit practical. And then, just a second. Share screen. Okay, good. Now I'm going to show you, many of us knows Valuetainment. Valuetainment is an online platform. This man, I've watched this man several years. You know, he just has a platform like myself, like my platform, teaching business and investment. And then all of a sudden, he started talking about economic and finance and business news on a daily basis. He commenced a podcast called PBD Podcast. That is Patrick Bet David Podcast. Let me give you an instance here. Let me show you PBD Podcast. PBD Podcast. Now look at PBD Podcast. PBD Podcast talks about the economic news, business, what's going on around the globe. These people are making a lot of money on YouTube. Now, take for instance, look at the estimated earning on PBD Podcasts. This earning year on PBD Podcasts. Can you see it? Maybe I'm very, very sure we can see it. You can see what is here. This man is earning on a monthly basis $76,000 to $227,000 on a monthly basis. And this podcast, making money from podcast alone, and this podcast, 1 hour podcast. And do you know what he does on this 1 hour podcast? Talk about economic, finance, business, investment, invite experts, and then they talk about business and investment. And this podcast lasts for like an hour. And what does he do? He takes this podcast and breaks it down into 30 minutes. I mean 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and post in his other channel called Valuetainment. And Valuetainment earn close to $155,000 to $466,000 on a monthly basis. This is the estimated earnings. The last 7 days he has amassed 12,000 views, and he has earned you'll be earning close to $155K to $466,000 on a monthly basis. Do you know what it means to earn such on a monthly basis, earning close to $455,000? Let's calculate his money for him. 455,000 equivalent of Naira. What is the exchange rate? Let's just give an exchange rate of 1,400. 455,000 times 1,400. Let's calculate his money. This man is making a lot too. 637 million Naira. Okay, let's divide it into 2 because they gave us an estimate of 155 to 450. So let's just say he's making $200,000. $200,000 on a monthly basis. $200,000 times 1,400. Though the current exchange rate, the last I checked, is 145. So 280 million Naira. From what? From content creation. A lot of Nigerians are leaving money on the table from content creation. And this is just Patrick David. Let's talk about, and why is that so? That is because he's serving the US niche. That's because he's serving what? He's serving the US niche. So if most of the videos is watched by European, if most of your videos is watched by Nigerian as a content creator, or you're creating content, there's a little to what you earn because they believe the purchasing power of Nigerians are lesser compared to those people who live in the diaspora. Do you get it? So of these things as different distance. So let me check other. Let me show you news website, Nigerian news companies like these day, no, let me not use this day, like Arise TV channels and the likes. So let's see how much they make by providing you some of these popular or the latest news. Most of these platforms, they win by trending news, and then they are always posting breaking news, even the current breaking news that is the US president to Nigeria. All these news sites are pushing it out because these are news that is arousing people's fear, people's interest. People are agitated, and so by that, people will want to watch this news. And when you watch this news or this content, you are giving money to the content creator. Person is working for it. So let me show you, and let me share the screen. Good. Let me share you this screen. So sometimes when you see some of these news outside, most of them are uh, most of them are basically pushing out content that will generate views. Do you get it? Look at Arise TV. Arise TV, I talk about diplomatic spats between Nigeria and US worsen. So most of this news that they will publish, just a second. Most of the news that will be that will be coming out right now, uh, will be, just a second. Okay. I wanted to quickly attend to something. Great. Most of the news that will be published right now will be what will be news that is arousing people's interest. Now let's take a look at Arise TV news. Okay, but what I want to let you know is look at these platforms create content, for crying out loud. On a daily basis, they can post over 20 different contents. See, 15 minutes ago, 51 minutes ago, 53 minutes ago, 55 minutes ago. With the last 55 minutes, they have posted 4 contents. 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, they posted another 4. That's 8. 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours. That's 12 in the last 3 hours. In the last 6 hours, they have posted another one. That's 16. In the last 9 hours, they posted another one. That's 20. In the last 12 hours, they posted 24. In the last 15 hours, they posted 28. And then, because these are news that is related to pain, related to trend, related to interest of a number of people will watch them. So this is an example. Of course, there are various things you can create content on. Let's look at what they are prone to earning. From $35,000 to $133K. This is Arise TV news. Let's quickly check channels. Channels TV. Channels TV is even live currently. Channels TV, because Channels TV is earning 52,000 to 155K. And these are just the news sites. How about we talk about creating content? These movie content people, they make a lot of money. Let me quickly check the popular content platform that is trending now. Then I just quickly talk in 5 minutes on content creation, the other parts of digital businesses.